What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, for probably a year or two, there's been major problems on YouTube, right? The comment section has just been littered with scams and spams and all that stuff. And obviously, it's been very tough for me to keep up. I try to get rid of some of these comments, but they come in sometimes 50, 100 deep, and then I have to get rid of those. And then immediately when I get rid of them and the comment section is all, shrunk down to what it needs to be with the amount of comments that I expect to have, 50 or 100 come back, right? It's just constantly I have to get rid of those. And I think some other people have better luck with this, right? It's mainly on a lot of financial channels where you'll see new coins that are being introduced or anything like that. So I'm trying out different things. I wish that YouTube would do something easy and simple to where it's either a subscriber only comment section or member only comment section or something like that to make it beneficial, one, for people to be subscribers and then also to be members, right? So that you don't have a bunch of accounts. If they are going to be those accounts and try and do that, then they will end up being subscribed to you. And then you have all of these bot subscribers that make up a higher subscriber count. But even if, it's still horrible because you have people that think, one, that those are real people and that you need to reach out to Kim Jansen and if you learn how to grow your portfolio. And then they have people that are impersonating me. So anytime I answer something, they impersonate them. I just want to have the ability to completely control the comment section. And it's so difficult to do that where I can put in keywords so that they don't pop up, but then they just create another coin or add some sort of phrase at the end or add a hashtag or add whatever, and then it's a new word and YouTube doesn't recognize it. I wish that if any of those combined letters were in there, that you would end up having it. And then even if we banned WhatsApp, right? That word or name, whatever it is, it's not really a word, but we added WhatsApp to the comments that don't need to be shown, but then they'll again change the S to a 5. They'll add a dollar sign in the front of it or a hashtag in the front of it, and again it becomes a brand new word. So it's such a difficult thing to manage that now I'm going to try and do this. I don't know if I'll be able to do it because sometimes I struggle with being able to get to that, especially with posting multiple videos a day. But what I'm going to do, right? I'm going to try and fix it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold all comments, right? And I'm only going to approve the comments that I see are the best ones, which means I still have to go through them. I still have to go through them and say that this is a legit comment, not the best ones, but the legit comments that are not scam and spams and all that stuff. So on this video, it's kind of going to be a test to say if I'm going to be able to do that. And every comment that we have, it should be a legit comment, until YouTube decides to do subscriber only comment section and members only comment sections. They do that for chats, but they don't do it for comments on the video. So I don't know. I'll hold all comments and I will post those comments as I get time to free them up. And then I will be able to answer them and nobody else will be able to respond underneath those because those comments will be held as well, I believe. So we'll see. Guys, let me know if this works. Comment down below. Put everything you can in the comment section. Apples, oranges, it doesn't matter, right? Just and don't act like a spammer, because if I see that, I'm not going to put the comment up there. I just want to try and clean up the comment section a little bit. Some other people have like a full team to do this and manage it. As soon as the video is posted, they look for it and they do that. But for me, I don't have a full team. I have to do that and then I'm off to the next thing and I'm not paying attention to it. So we'll try this out. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, then, we'll find a way to try something different. But I can't handle having, a 3,000 view video with 419 comments. That's not accurate. Right? That's not accurate at all. Same thing goes for 1,262 views and having 333 comments, having a fourth of that, right? That's crazy to say that you have 25% of the people that viewed are comments. Like that's crazy. So anyways, yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out the comment section down below. Let me know if it's clean. Type something down there, and we'll see if we can get this fixed. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.